So if you're going to trade, you cannot have any fear in the markets. Let's talk about Mondays. It's a, I guess you call it a stigma or something like that. I think that's the word for it. But that's like a thing going around in Forex that Mondays is not good days to trade. Same thing with Fridays. That's just some things I heard early on when I got into trading. And I often tell people I didn't won on every single day of the week. I didn't had good trades every day of the week, whether it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, consistently. So it's no specific day where you shouldn't trade. I mean, you try to stay away from like certain holidays. Um, I specifically stay away from news when the news comes out, especially during the beginning of a session. I don't want to be in a trade when that's coming out. Um, but yeah, other than that, I mean, any day of the week, they liable to get this work from me when they come in these markets. But I wanted to show you this trade. This is on a Monday on GU, my favorite pair. I took a sell on GU. I don't even know if, well, yeah, I was looking for a sell on this. That was my bias anyway. And it gave me what I was looking for. So I just want to do a quick recap and breakdown because I don't know how often I will really be going live, but I will go back and record a video breaking down some trades that I take just to give you my logic and to show you the way that I trade. So again, I came into it looking for GU to sell because it was rising probably for about 3 days. So again, I think kind of the opposite of what the majority thinks when it comes to the markets. I want to trade in line with them power players like the banks and hedge funds. So knowing that they operate on cycles and things like that, I know the trend is not going to continue in one direction for too long. So I came into it looking for sells, trade London. Woke up during the London session, and again, they gave me what I was looking for. They was working the high. Again, I trade off of the highs and the lows of the day, extremes of the range. That gives you the cheapest stop loss you could possibly put in. I don't believe in support and resistance, but that would be my support and resistance. The high of the day would be my resistance. The low would be the support. So I trade off of the high. They came out working the high. Okay, so they worked the high, extended the high, but they didn't break it. And then this candle, this 230 to 245 candle, railroad track. That's a trap move. That's what I look for. Liquidity, trap moves. Yeah, so that was a trap move. Anybody who got in, maybe some breakout traders who may have got in high, people who got in late, they were trapped. Stop loss may have been hit, or well, they were immediately in drawdown though if it wasn't. So I want that high to hold for probably another 15 minutes, which they did. Well, actually, I didn't wait. I didn't wait because these are my entries right here. I thought I waited for this second candle to close, but I think I got multiple entries. That's what happened. Yeah, let me looking at my MT4. I got multiple entries, but these were my two best entries trading on two accounts. One entry at 1.31859 and another entry at 1.31798. They were two of my best entries, one on one account, one on the other one, but I did have multiple entries in both accounts. And yeah, I caught 50 pips on that first entry, well over 50 pips, 54 pips, and caught just under 50 on that other entry. But and I had multiple entries, all of them were over 40 pips. Let's see, let's pull the ruler out. So I'm looking at my MT4 now. So again, from here to 1.31312. Again, like right here, It's 54 pips that way. And then let's go from here from 1.31798 down to 1.31, the same price, 1.31, 311, 312, 48 pips. So on a Monday, that's pretty good. That's how you start your week off. But I really wanted to show this to let y'all know that your setups can appear any day of the week. The times can vary, the sessions can vary, and the days can vary. There's no set days where you're gonna get your best moves at. It can happen any day. It's up to you to recognize when that move present, and don't be scared to strike. No fear. When it's there, you take it. When it's not there, you don't trade. And it's that simple. Trading can be simple. It don't gotta be complicated. And yeah, that was my Monday on November the 8th, November the 9th. And I'm gonna continue doing this. Again, I don't know how often I will be able to go live, but I will record and show you my logic and break down why I took certain trades and the losses as well. So I'll catch y'all next time. Let's get this money. No fear in the markets. Let's go.